Operation of a digital hot plate magnetic stirrer. Inside the packaging, one digital hot plate magnetic stirrer unit, one power cord, one user manual, and one stirrer bar. Operation. Make sure the voltage, frequency is correct for your instrument. Place the instrument on a safe and a stable bench and plug in the power cord. Add the sample into the vessel with the stirring bar. Put the vessel on the heating plate. Turn on the power. Mode A. Setting the safety temperature. Residue heat warning. Stirring the bar breakaway monitoring. Adjust the speed control knob. The stir LED light will illuminate. Set the appropriate speed. Adjust the temperature control knob. The heat LED light will illuminate set the appropriate temperature, which displayed on the LED screen. When the work is over, press the temperature control knob. The heat LED light will out. Press the speed control knob. The stir LED light will out. Turn off the power device. Mode B. First, install the supporting components of temperature sensor. Add the sample into the vessel with the stirring bar. Put the vessel on the heating plate. Access to the external temperature sensor. Adjust its distance appropriately. Turn on the power. Press Mode key to choose B mode. Setting the safety temperature. Residue heat warning. Stirring bar breakaway monitoring. Adjust the speed control knob. The stir LED light will illuminate. Set the appropriate speed. Adjust the temperature control knob. The heat LED light will illuminate set the appropriate temperature, which displayed on the LED screen. When work is over, press the temperature control knob. The heat LED light will out. Press the speed control knob. The stir LED light will out. Turn off the power device. Mode C. Automatic saving of the setting is a feature of this mode. Users can change the settings according to the needs. Press Mode key to choose C mode. Adjust the speed control knob. The stir LED light will illuminate. Set the appropriate speed. Adjust the temperature control knob. The heat LED light will illuminate. Set the appropriate temperature, which displayed on LED screen. When the work is over, press the temperature control knob. The heat LED light will out. Press the speed control knob. The stir LED light will out. Turn off the power device. The unit can be controlled by PC via RS232C in ABC mode. Note: special software required for this purpose. Notes: please wear protective gloves and clothing before work. Table must be clean and flat. Keep flammable items away from unit. Do not overfill container with sample and use an approved container. Ensure that external temperature sensor probe is inserted in the sample at least 20 mm and at least 5 mm from the vessel bottom. Do not plug in or plug out the external temperature sensor during the heating process. When the heating and stirring functions have been started at the same time, the LED screen always displays temperature first, unless you adjust the speed knob. Do not change the modes and parameter settings during operation. Ensure that the mains power supply cable does not touch the heating base plate. Do not cover the device. Do not touch the housing parts and the heating plate during use, and there is a risk of burn. Move the power plug out of the socket to cut off power supply of a unit entirely. Keep at least a 100 mm space between the unit and the wall when running. Keep the unit away from any high magnetic fields.